The DEQ is great to work with, I can say that. If you're in a similar boat and you're a grassroots, all-volunteer nonprofit and you need that step up to start to grow your organization and look to the future, definitely apply for a DEQ grant. Without that, I think it would have taken us a lot longer to get to the place we are, which is a stable organization looking ahead at new programming and new growth. ToolBox Project's a nonprofit tool lending library located in Eugene, Oregon, and we serve Olive Lane County and beyond.
It's kind of like a toy box for people who do projects. You can walk into the toy box and grab a toy or grab a tool, take it home and use it. If you don't know how, people will show you how to use it, and tools are kept up in pretty good shape. Somebody goes through and repairs them.
We've got tools that you might use once a year, chop saw if you don't do a lot of woodworking, that kind of thing. Tile saw for somebody that's working on a bathroom remodel. How many times do you do a bathroom remodel? How many times do you want to do a bathroom remodel? Not too often. So we have tools that our members can come in and borrow.
The funding from the grant allowed us to add one more shift a week, so we are then open 3 days a week. That made us more accessible to members. It meant that we could serve more people. So that helped us grow our membership. We expanded our membership by 42%, and membership revenue is crucial to our budget. The grant also paid for the first professional staff position that we've ever had, and that allowed us to step up our outreach and leverage community opportunities that we just could not do before as an all-volunteer organization.